So now the next step that we want to go with is we have to figure out what factors are going to go in the box. Because instead of just being given the factors that we're going to use with our synthetic division, we have to come up with them on our own. So ones you're going to pick. And the trick is, if you have a polynomial where you have a to the n, x to the n, plus a to the n minus 1, x to the n minus 1, plus dot 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 dot, plus a sub 1 n plus a to 0. The parts of the polynomial that you care about when it comes to the rational roots theorem is this number here and this number here. Okay? And the rational root theorem says that you're going to take all of the factors of a sub 0 and divide them by all of the factors of a sub n. And you can take the positive and negative of every single one of those factors, and those are the only ones that will work in the box as potential factors. So this gives you a list of potential factors that you can pick from. Now, some of them could be used more than once. Some of them may be used none at all. But if there is a rational factor that's going to evenly factor your polynomial, it has to be one of these. So for example, let's say I had 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. And actually, let's add a 4x cubed in front. So we're working with a polynomial. I'm going to take all of the factors of my last term, which is the negative 1, and all the factors of my first term, which is going to be 4. So I'm going to have my factors of 1 are just 1, and my factors of 4 are 4, 2, and 1. So now I want to list all the possible combinations that I can have in both positive and negative. So I'm going to have plus or minus 1/4, plus or minus 1/2, and plus or minus 1/1, which is going to be 1. Let's take another example. And so now I want to take all of the factors of the last one, which is 30, and then divide them by all of the factors of the first term, which is 1. So now I got to think of what are my factors of 30? Well, I could have plus or minus 30, plus or minus 15, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1.